first remove the seat from the base if it is attached. You will install the base first. To remove the seat, squeeze one of the seat release handles and rotate the seat until it stops at the midway point. Find the seat removal tool at the end of the harness adjuster strap. Insert it into the seat lock release opening on the base until you hear a click. Squeeze both seat release handles and lift the seat straight up off the base. Set it aside while you install the base. Before placing the base, remove the tether from storage on the back of the base. Place the base on the vehicle seat, making sure it's not blocking the seatbelt buckle. Lay the tether strap over the back of the seat for now. Lift the recline adjustment handle and slide the base forward or backward to adjust the recline. Check the bubble level indicator and adjust the base until the bubble falls between the level lines. With the base properly reclined, open the lever lock door by pushing in with your thumb and lifting it up. Pull out the lap and shoulder belt, route it through the base and lever lock door, then buckle it. Make sure the lap belt lies flat across the belt path on both sides of the base. Then guide the shoulder belt across the back of the base and into the shoulder belt path on the opposite side of the vehicle buckle. Pull out any remaining slack from both the lap and shoulder portions of the belt. Close the lever lock door until it clicks into place. Find your vehicle's tether anchor using your owner's manual. Attach the tether hook, then pull the adjuster strap to tighten it snugly. Grab the base at the belt path and gently push side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch. To place the seat, hold the seat so it's facing you, then lower it straight down onto the base. Squeeze the handle and rotate the seat until it locks into place in a rear-facing or forward-facing travel position. Make sure the vehicle headrest is not pushing the seat forward. Never drive with the seat in the unlocked position, even if it's unoccupied. Never use the seat without the base. The seat must be attached to the base for use. Always check your car seat and vehicle manuals for proper installation. If you have questions, consult a certified child passenger safety technician.